that intro again. Hi there, it's Timmy Joe. I review anything, but today on the program, it's going to be a how-to video. As you see, we just got back from Home Depot, getting all the supplies we need to build my son a little train table. Now, I picked this up from our local toy store, and this train table here with some Thomas faces on it goes for over $200, and I thought that's crazy. I mean, it's just a table. For under $100 here, taxes included, I got everything you're going to need here right in using these project boards, which is in a separate aisle of Home Depot where everything is cut and everything's square. It's very easy stuff that you can just throw in the back of your car or SUV. You're not going to have to worry about bringing a pickup truck or something to bring this wood home. This is some stuff I like to put up on YouTube, and if it's not really for you, I apologize. But you know what? I like doing this stuff for my kid, and I hope you'll come along for the ride. And I'll give you all the supplies and everything you'll need if you want to build one too. So stick around, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut the legs for our table, and this is going to be the shelf. We're going to notch edges out of the shelf so that this leg will fit in each side, and this is going to divide equally into 4 18-inch tall pieces. Those are going to notch into this, and this will be the shelf. The top is going to be removable, so basically I'm making this. My son could probably draw better than this, but these are going to notch into here, and then we're going to put boards that attach the top here on all sides. That way it stands on its own, and the top will be a removable piece. Pull it off, switch it around, put it into chalkboard mode, whatever you want to do, and you'll see in a minute why I grabbed the wood I did and the dimensions I did. Thank you very much. Got this thing all mocked up. So this board's sitting on a 2x4, and none of these are buttoned down. But I really like the height if it's sitting on the 2x4. 2x4s aren't actually 4 inches. I feel like it's a little bit off from that. Yeah, but I am going to assure all measurements on all sides are equal. We're going to countersink some holes. We're going to put some screws in, we're going to put some wood glue on it, and then we're going to worry about putting these top pieces in somehow. Oh my god, there's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. Yellow jacket, go on the lens. Do it. Yeah, I'm going to worry about securing these at the top because these are going to be the little rails that the top table is going to rest on. So we'll get right to it.
Daddy, I don't think that's a good ride or choo-choo.
Choo-choo? He's going to love his train table, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and put the final nail in the car. So, I'm pretty close to done my box. Most people don't spray paint wood, but I'm not most people, so let's check it out. So I have the most ghetto miter saw ever, and I actually figured out how to do 45-degree angles. So I'm really psyched because I tried to do this before and it did not work out, but I was not doing it right. So let's check it out. Huh? I mean, it needs some work, but it's square. So I think we're working. I think we're good. My hair is flat. I took a shower because I was all full of blue paint. As you can see, I am moments away from completion. I'm just going to go ahead and screw this top down, and then we'll see what's going on. So this set is only $29.99 at Walmart. I mean, it's a 60-piece set, comes with the wooden tracks, and I was looking for this stuff, and super expensive for, you know, Thomas branded stuff, but thank God for that really cheap toy section at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna do a grand reveal for Gibson. All right, what's going on, dude? What are you doing?
Can't even like wait.
What's this?
Doo-doo.
Yeah? Aw, Juju. Look at the grand reveal of the table! Whee! Little look on his face. Maybe he just breaks everything. What's this, Gibby? Can you say thank you? Gibby, can you say thank you? Yeah? That's all you can say?
Can you give Daddy kisses?
Have a kiss? Have a kiss? I should. Alright, this is the table, and of course it doubles as a chalk table. We're gonna get some Rubbermaid containers to put down here.
And down. Woo! Oh no, look, now you got a big train. Nope.
I could possibly be here in my hometown, and this time it's not on crystal meth. Anyways, yeah, I'm here up at the top of the parking structure. It's loud, it's windy, and I'm sorry. I need help. I have something to ask you guys. I need your help. We got 3,500 subscribers almost, and that's huge.